Actually, in this video, we talk about some question which is related to uh, tangent normal, and these are the five questions. And today we solve this. Okay, these I think these questions are very much important for competitive exam and as well as board's point of view. So then starts this session, and I solve these questions. Okay. So at first we talk about the question number one, and which says slope of tangent, and what's the main curve? The main curve is basically this one. This one is the main curve, and we find the slope of tangent of this particular curve. Okay, and the given point is 1 comma 1. Okay, then we start this question. With this see, so in this question, what is our first step? First step is basically extract the function from this question. The function is basically the function is this. Okay, uh, and the important thing is function is a representation of a curve. So then we work on it, and when we find the slope of tangent, then at first do the derivative on apply derivative on this curve. Okay, so we basically do, so then we get what we get, dy by dx x cube plus 3y plus y square plus 2 dx 5. Okay, so sorry, this is a minor mistake. This is a constructional problem. This is x square. Okay, so it's giving 2x plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx equals to 0. Okay, so then what we do, we basically extract the dy's. 3 plus 2y equals to minus 2x, and dy by dx equals to minus 2x by 3 plus 2y. Okay, and there is a point is there is in that case a point is given, and we say what is this? This is 1 comma 1. This is for x, this is y. Okay, so we just putting the values of x and y. Okay, this is a very lethal move for this type of questions. Okay, 2 into 1, 3 plus 2 into 1. So this is, sorry, 2 by 5. Okay, so slope of the tangent is basically 2 by 5. The answer is minus 2 by 5. Very simple question. Okay, then we go for the question number 2. And there is a trap. Okay, there is a trap. Trap means just like this. It's a where it crosses x-axis. Okay, so we just decode this uh, line. Okay, we just decode this statement. It's a where it crosses x-axis. So where it crosses x-axis. So what is the meaning of this? Okay, what is the meaning of this? See, we assume there is a curve. Sorry. See, there is a curve. Okay. So when the statement says where it crosses the x-axis, the A point crosses in A point, this curve crosses the x-axis. So in mathematical point of view, or rather specifically, if we see in the point of view of coordinate geometry, so we see in that particular point the coordinate is basically a comma 0. So it's a when when it crosses x-axis, that means the y-axis is 0 for that particular point. Okay, not every point, for this particular point. Okay, then what is our approach? In every cases, mainly these type of questions is given, then what is our uh, what is our main thing, or what we do? This basically at first we do the derivatives. Okay, so derivative of this curve. Okay, so from this point of view we say y is 0 to 0. Okay, so x is -1 and also x is 3. So from this point of view we get two values of x. Okay, so what are the points? The points are basically -1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. Okay, so now now this is a quiz how to find the slope of tangent. Okay, so you give 3 minutes to solve this quiz, and the remaining portion is quiz for you. Okay, now I solve the question. Okay, so actually we get y equals to x plus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 3. So from this we get x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. Okay, so what is dy by dx? This is basically 2x minus 2. Okay, so we work on 2 points. Okay, so at first when minus 3 and when x equals to 3, sorry, for first case x equals to minus 1, so in that case we getting 2 into minus 1 minus 2. This is basically 4, and for this case it gives us 2 into 3 minus 2. This is 4. Okay, so actually we getting the slope of tangent is plus minus 4. Okay, so through the basic thought process we can handle these kind of questions as well. These are very silly questions, and it then what is the significance of these kind of questions? Like, the main significance is uh, this helps us to build concept, and as well as it helps us to build our confidence levels. Okay, so then we go for the third question. The third question says slope of tangent to xy minus ax minus by equals to 0. So that is the curve. So we find the slope of tangent of this curve. Okay, slope of the tangent of this curve, and we find the slope of tangent on that particular point. Okay, sorry, not really, sorry, this is my mistake actually. uh, it's a the slope of tangent of this particular curve at this point is basically 0. Then we need to find a and b. Okay, so seeing this type of question, uh, what we do at first, we do the derivative of this equation or this curve equation. So we do dy by dx equals to dx xy minus ax minus by equals to 0, because the slope is 0. Okay, so then this is y plus x dy by dx minus a minus b dy by dx equals to 0, right? So we extract the dy dy by dx is, and we write this is a minus y, so dy by dx equals to a minus y and x minus b, and slope is we know dy by dx is 0, so we say a minus y x minus b equals to 0. So a minus y equals to 0, a summon y. And also, and we know at point equals to 1 comma 1, so x equals to 1 and y equals to 1, so a equals to 1. Okay, so then in this equation we put, in this equation we know the x equals to 1, y equals to 1, and also a equals to 1. Then if we put the all three values, then we get the value of b. Okay, so and the last part we just plug in the values of a, y and x. Okay, so 1, what is the main equation? 1, and this is minus 1 minus b, yes, equals to 0. So actually b equals to 0. So what is our answer? B equals to 0 and a equals to 1. Okay, so this is very simple questions. And now we go into the question number 4. This is somehow much complex than previous three. Okay, so in that question it's a x equals to a into the bracket theta plus sine theta and y equals to a in bracket 1 plus cos theta, and theta is changing at a. Okay, this is a very important line, that is theta is changing at a constant rate k. Okay, the changing of a, sorry, theta is changing at a constant rate k, then the rate of change of slope at theta equals to pi by 3. Okay, so from this statement, at first what thing triggered in our mind, that is d theta by dt equals to k. Okay, so at first this thing triggered in our brain. Okay, so I just copy the question for solve. Question number 4. Okay, okay, so we start the question. It says d theta by dt equals to k. Okay, so for this type of question we at first go for dx by d theta, and we go for dy by d theta, and from those dy by d theta and dx by d theta we getting dy by dx. Okay, so then what we do, we basically do find dx by d theta. This is d by d theta, d theta of a theta plus sine theta. So this is a 1 plus cos theta. Okay, for dy by d, sorry, for dy by d theta it is d by d theta 1 plus cos theta. a into the minus sine theta, minus a sine theta. Okay, so what is actually dy by dx? What is the actual slope? So actual slope is basically minus a sine theta by a 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so this is sine theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, then what we do actually? Then what we do? We read the question once again. It's a the theta is changing at a constant rate of k. The rate of change of slope at theta equals to pi by 3. Okay, it's a the range. Sorry, it's a the change of slope, the rate of change of slope. That means that what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this statement is basically we need to find that dm by dt. Okay, dm by dt. Okay, so in that case, not varying with time, this is varying with theta. Okay, so we find dm by d theta. Okay, so sorry, so dm by d theta is actually d by d theta by minus sine theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so from the concept of q by v method of derivative, we just solve the question. It's a 1 plus cos theta square. Yes, cos theta d theta by sin theta sin theta dy d theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta square 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta. Okay, so from this we're getting 1 plus cos theta whole square cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Right? Okay, so from this cos theta plus 1 by 1 plus cos theta square, so we're getting 1 by cos theta plus 1 square. So if we're varying with theta, we know that theta is pi by 3, so the value is cos pi by 3 plus 1 square. This is 1 by 2 by 3 square equals to 4 by 9. Okay, and if we go for dm by dt, that means it's when it's varying with time, then what is our thought process? Then how to handle the question. Okay, so for this type of for uh, for this time variation, then we do basically minus. I do this in short. So in very next line, this is basically 1 plus cos theta d theta by dt minus sin theta d theta by dt 1 plus cos theta whole square. So this is basically k cos theta plus k cos square theta plus k sin square theta. So what is the source of k? In extreme first line we say d theta by dt is equals to k. Okay, cos theta square. Okay, oh sorry, in this case I just do a mistake. Sorry, there is a negative sign and the question is basically the answer is basically minus 2 by 3. And for this case actually when we put the value of theta which is equals to sorry, then we get the answer minus 2k by 3. Okay, and then we go for the last question. The question is basically find the angle of normal with x-axis if x equals to a in bracket cos theta plus theta sin theta and y equals to a in bracket sin theta minus theta cos theta. Okay, so how to solve the question from the previous case? Just a minute. At first we copy the question. At first we copy the question. Okay, just a minute. This is also a nice question. Okay, so can you try this question? Then I give you 2 minutes to thought this question. Then I do the question after 2 minutes. Okay, so everybody start. Oh, okay. X if this is if. Okay. Then everyone starts the question. Okay, so 2 minutes is over, then we start the question. Okay, so see, what is our what is our thought process? Basically, in that case, we do x equals to cos theta plus theta sine theta. Okay, and y equals to a sine theta minus theta cos theta. Okay, so what we do, we basically do find dx by d theta and as well as dy by d theta, and from these two we find dy by dx. Okay, so dx by d theta equals to a minus sine theta plus sine theta plus theta cos theta. Okay, and for dy by d theta, this is a cos theta minus cos theta minus plus theta sine theta. Okay, we make a step jump uh, to calculate the dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Okay, so these are the we eliminate these two. Okay, so dy by dx is basically a theta sine theta by a theta cos theta. Okay, so this is actually tan theta. Okay, and the question says the find the angle of normal with x-axis. So normal, what is the meaning of normal? Normal meaning the 90 degree. So actually it's a slope of normal is minus 1 by slope of tangent. So this is 1 by tan theta. So this is cot theta minus cot theta. And what is the meaning of minus cot theta? The meaning of this is basically tan pi by 2 plus theta. Okay, so we say normal is making pi by 2 plus theta with x-axis. Okay, if we draw the diagram, then we get so see, um, so the angle is theta actually. Okay, and this is yeah, this is normal and this is actually tangent. Okay, and the angle is theta plus pi by 2 equals to phi. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 5. Okay, so this is for today's class. Okay, so bye and see you in next any session.